Maybe you are also watching this video because your PC is too much slow. Maybe you are using Windows 10, maybe you are using the Windows 7, Windows 8, but your computer is too much slow. Okay, so it is giving you too much headache. In that case, how to make your PC too much fast? If you want to also make your PC 2x faster, then in that case you have to watch entire video and you can use all the tricks. Okay, after applying those tips and tricks, you will be also able to make more fast your computer. It will work in Windows 7, it will work in Windows 8, it will work in Windows 10 also, but in the Windows 11 also it will work, because the all the parent company of those operating system is Microsoft, right? So that's why it this type of tricks will work in all the Windows versions. So don't worry. So if you are using the Windows 7 or if you are using the Windows 10 also, in that case it will be very useful. But in this time I'm using or I'm teaching you in Windows 10. Okay, but you can use this one in the Windows 7, 8 and 11 also. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial.
So guys, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So first of all, you have to open your task manager and you have to check maybe your disk usage is 100%, so that's why this type of problem is getting. So first of all, you have to stop few services using the services.msc. So first of all, you have to press Windows key plus R and then you have to type the services, or you can directly use it from the start menu and just you have to type services and you have to open the services.msc. okay, so after that, so now you can see there are various services is running inside your PC in background, right? So you have to disable few your services, because those services are giving trouble to your PC and it is making slow to your PC. So first of all, you have to turn off the Windows source. So I am turning off this one, okay, and just you have to click in the stuff, and so it is stuffing, and you have to click in the apply and click in the okay. So there are various types of other services, you have to turn off those services. And the second tricks is disk defragment. So just you have to go in the start and you have to type disk, and now you can see you have to click here in the defragment and you will get this window, okay. Then after that, you have to choose the C drive and you have to click in the defragment, okay. So it will start the tasks and it will manage all the folders and files, okay, so systematically. So every time when you will do the defragment, it will take little bit time, but it will help you to improve your speed of your computer. Third tips is the disk cleanup. So there are many junk files which is inside your computer, okay. So when you are using the computer, so in that case there may be various types of the options, so that's why you have to use the disk cleanup. So I am just using this one. Just you have to click in the disk cleanup and you have to choose the C drive, and now you can see here, so it is giving me few results and you have to select all the files, okay. So I'm selecting those temporary files and recycle bin, and I'm just clicking in the delete files. So now you can see here it is cleaning all the junk file. So in this way you can easily speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 7. And the fourth tips is disable startup softwares. There are various types of the startup softwares, okay. So you can check those type of the using the task manager in Windows 10, okay, and you have to disable those softwares and it will help you to increase your speed. And update Windows 10. So you have to update your Windows 10 from the settings, and thus you have to click in the Windows update and you have to click in the check for update and it will start to check, okay. And if your Windows 10 is up to date, maybe it will also help you to speed up your computer. Sometimes there will be few new updates, so due to those type of updates you are not getting the proper type of the speed in your machine, so you have to update your operating system time to time. And the last option, just you have to restart your PC sometime. Just you have to restart your PC, and now you can see here your all the disk usage problems and your PC will come back in normal. Okay, so that's why you have to restart after doing all those things, after doing the disk cleanup, defragment, and all those things. You have to restart your PC, and sometime it will also help you to improve the speed of your computer.
If you are still getting any kind of issues with your PC, still your PC is too much slow, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to give solution of your problem, and I'll make another new video on that topic. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas, and if you have still any kind of confusion, or if you are getting any kind of problems, let me know in the comment section. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.